In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Coinbase to Tradingview. By the end, you'll have Tradingview linked to your Coinbase or Coinbase Advanced account, so you can monitor balances and place trades directly from the chart. First, open a chart in Tradingview. Pick the market you want to work with if you are planning to trade crypto. Search for the exact pair you use on Coinbase, like BTC-USD or ETH-USD, so everything lines up later. Make sure you are signed in to your Tradingview account so your connection is saved across sessions. Next, look to the bottom of the screen for the trading panel. If you don't see it, expand the panel strip at the bottom. The Trading Panel tab sits alongside other tabs like Pine Editor and Strategy Tester. Click Trading Panel to reveal the broker list and connection options. From the list of supported brokers, find Coinbase or Coinbase Advanced. Choose the one that matches your account type. If you actively trade using Coinbase Advanced, select that for the most compatible order options. Click it to highlight the connection option and prepare to link your account. Now, click Connect. A secure login window will appear. Enter your Coinbase credentials carefully. And complete two-factor authentication if prompted. Using an authenticator app is recommended for added security. Only sign in through the official Coinbase window that Tradingview opens, never enter credentials into pop-ups. You didn't initiate. Take your time here, accuracy and security come first. After you log in, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. You'll be asked to grant Tradingview permission to access your account for trading and account data. Read the permissions so you understand what's being shared. Then confirm to proceed. If anything looks unfamiliar, stop and verify you are on the correct. Secure pages before continuing. Once authorized, Tradingview will show your Coinbase connection as active in the trading panel. You should see your account listed, often with status indicators and available balance. If the chart and account pair don't match, simply switch the symbol on your chart to the pair you trade on Coinbase, so orders route correctly. If the connection doesn't appear immediately, refresh the trading panel and ensure you are still logged in. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.